going on, guys? We're here in the warehouse, obviously not at Hobart, so if you're expecting a real estate video, not happening today. It's car content today. Nothing too exciting, but worthwhile watching if you got an F-150. Doing a brake job on my Raptor. Unfortunately, one of the slide pins for the driver's side brake caliper kind of froze up, seized up with some rust or whatever, corrosion, and fucked up my rotor. And yeah, the truck was driving really weird for a few days, and then it finally came down to like not having any pad left on the brake pad, and that's when it became really apparent. So I know I gotta go pick up a new caliper bracket later today, but first I wanna go around the truck and make sure nothing else is terribly fucked up. So with that being said, let's get to it. I mean, I know I promised 240 content soon, but as I mentioned before in prior videos, all the funds for the 240 actually went into that rental property in the last few videos. Definitely a worthwhile investment. I love cars, but you got to invest your money and time where it's needed when you actually have it. So it makes sense to do the construction in the spring, and you know, I'll save more money for the 240 soon, and we'll get going with that project. But there's plenty of things to document and share with you guys. So yeah, let's get going with this Raptor content. And as far as what's going on, it's brakes, rear brakes, got to do an oil change, all the good maintenance stuff. So if you've got an F-150, it's the same deal as the Raptor. You know, same components, same, I mean, Raptor's gonna be a little bit more beefed up, but same deal. So follow along if you wanna do it yourself, or if you're just viewing for fun. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Let's get going. Alright, so the top slide pin, slide bolt, however you want to call it. Anyways, top one works, could use some grease. But the bottom one is completely seized. Yeah. Can't get any play out of that. So time to replace them. Forward parts, so goes. All right, guys, so with that being done, we've got the front brakes done, but it's about dinner time, and I know it's been a few days kind of patched together here, but I jumped on the truck pretty late in the afternoon, so it's time to head home and grab some food. But tomorrow I hope to be jumping on another video, and we'll hopefully get the rear brakes done, but might be pouring rain, and if that's the case, we'll finally see some 240 action. The 240, as you can see, I actually, if you've been following along, I actually have gotten a little bit more work done. So I finally decided to cut out the rear tub. I kind of have a design in my head as for what I'm doing with fuel cell. I'm gonna put the fuel cell closer up front for weight balance, and then have the radiator back here. I'm gonna fully seal this off and have kind of like a bulkhead. But yeah, so cut that out. And yeah, just kind of going through everything. Some of the welds that were on the car weren't fantastic, still aren't fantastic. I had a pretty beginner welder, Lincoln 140, just stepped up to a new Miller, so I'll do a review maybe on that, but if not, it's just elevating the the 240's ability, and so it's a MIG and TIG, so this is actually going to be awesome for doing all of my exhaust work and plumbing if I decide not to go AN lines all the way, because AN lines get super expensive if you're running -12s for the radiators and all that stuff. So anyways, guys, wanted to give you guys a quick little view of what's been going on in the 240. The Raptor's coming along, winter's coming soon, so more car content. Winter means garage and warehouse time. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know if you want to see more real estate videos or maybe some investment advice videos, because honestly, cars obviously aren't my profession. I do real estate and product design for a life, for income. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. See ya.